Hello guys, this is Bilal from AB Academy. Today what we are going to learn is some basic function of sets. As you all know, there are 3 to 4 functions in set which include A union B, A intersection B, A dash or A complement, A minus B, A multiply by B. Okay, we have 3 sets over here. One is A set, which include numbers from 1 till 7. We have B set, which include 2, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we have a universal set. Okay, now the speciality of universal set is that it contains all the elements which are in either of sets, plus there is one more, which means it has an extra element more than these two combined. Okay, that's why it's called a universal set. Okay, now firstly we will cover A union B. Okay, now what is union? Union is simply the combination of two sets, and we have to just take care that the element which are repeating in both of the sets should be written for once. Okay, now I will say as I have described: A union B. A set okay. Now in A union B, what we will do? We will just write down the elements of A and elements of B as I am doing it right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now notice that B set is starting from 2, which has early appeared in set A, so we don't have to write it again. We don't need to write it again. We just ignore it, and that is the only function of union set. We ignore the multiple repeating elements. That could be either a number or alphabet or anything. Okay, now we will start from, we have 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is the function of union. Okay, I hope you guys have understood what is union. If you have any problem regarding anything, let me know in the comments down below. Okay, thank you. Now we have completed union. We will now do intersection. Now intersection is just the opposite of union. What we do in union? We neglect the number which are repeating in both of the set. Okay, in intersection we highlight those numbers and make a set out of them. Let me show you how. Okay, now read with me the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see 2 is repeating, 4 is repeating, and 7 is repeating in both of the set. Now what we have to do, we just have to write them down. 2, 4, 7. These 3 elements or these 3 numbers are repeating in both of the set, so they must be written down in this intersection set, and this is the function of intersection, that is taking out the common from both of the sets. Okay, I hope you guys have understood this also. uh, Now we will now jump to the next portion, that is a complement. We call this a complement. Sometimes it is called a dash, or the proper way of calling it is a complement. Okay. Now what we do in a complement is simply, I think we should do this first, then we should jump to this. I will tell you why. Okay, a minus b. What you have to do in a minus b, okay, notice that there is a difference between intersection and minus. Okay, in minus you find out the common in both of the sets. Okay, you see 2 here, 2 here, 4 here, 4 here, 5, no, I'm sorry, 7 here, 7 here. You must be wondering, it's same as the intersection. But now what you have to do after taking out the common from both of them, you just, and this is the important part, you just have to write down the remaining of the first set. Okay, if there is b, then you will write this set. If there is b minus a, you will write the remaining of this set. If there is a minus b, you will have to write down the remains of this set, which are 1, 3, 5, 6. And this is a minus b. I hope you guys understood that. If you have any confusion regarding these three or in the upcoming topics, do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the complementary part. I couldn't help myself. Okay, we have done this. Now coming back to complement. Complement has a fixed function. If you see a complement, b complement, or xyz any complement, there is a constant set which is u. A dash means u minus a, b dash means u minus b, c dash means u minus c. Okay, and we have already done the minus function, and I hope you guys know that how to do the minus function, but I'm doing it again for you guys just to make this concept more clear to you. And u minus a, 1, 2, 3, dot 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 12. And this is obvious, guys, that the A set will definitely be whole cut out, because this is universal set. Remember, universal set more element than not only this but combine this. Universal set has more element than it. Okay, now what are the remaining of u minus a? Simple. From 1 to 7 we will neglect from 1 to 7 and write down afterwards 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is u minus a. Okay. Thank you. Revise with me. Let's revise what we have covered today. We have covered A union B. Okay. We have covered A intersection B. We have covered A complement. We have covered A minus B, and we are now going to cover A multiplied by B. Okay. As the multiplication method is too long, so I will rub these three elements, as they will take too much time and we have limited amount of time. Okay, forget the previous set. These are the A and B. Okay, A, B. Okay. Multiply is a simple method. It's just as same as we multiply multiple brackets or two brackets or three and onwards. We just have to multiply it with this, this and this. Then we have to jump to this, this and this, and then repeat this process till the last element of A is done. Okay, starting off. And one more thing, this multiply is not about 1 multiplied by 2 or 2 multiplied by 2. This is writing down these elements in a same set or in a similar bracket. Okay, I will show you what I am saying. 1 2 1 comma 2. Okay, 1 4, you put a comma, 1 comma 4. 1 7, 1 comma 7, and onwards 2 4, 2 2, 2 4, 2 7, and then 3 2, 3 4, and 3 7, 4 2, 4 4 4, and 4 7. ठीक है? This is the function of multiply in sets. I hope I have explained it clearly to you. I have tried my best, but if somehow you don't understood the any of the topic in the following topics, you can ask me in the comments section. I will respond to that. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe AB Academy. Bilal Khalid signing out.